Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Outlook.
How to create a task in Microsoft Outlook. A task is an item that we create when we want to track it until it is completed. We can create, edit, and manage tasks. Some people keep a list of things that need to be done on a piece of paper or using any other electronic methods. In Microsoft Outlook, we can combine our various lists into one list. Plus, we can also improve them by adding reminders and tracking. We must select the Home tab, and from the left area of the ribbon named New, we select the New Items command. Once the New Items command is selected, the drop-down menu appears where we select the command Task. Once the Task command is selected, the Task dialog box appears where we can set Subject. Type in the subject for the task. Start date. Set a start date for the task. Due date. Set a due date for the task. We can also use the commands that are located on the ribbon for further editing. Reminder. Set a reminder for the task. Status. Check the status of the task as in not started, in progress, completed, waiting on someone else, and deferred. Priority. Set the priority of the task as in normal, low, and high. Reminder time. Set an exact time reminder for the task. In the body of the task, we type in all the information and the details that are needed. Whatever adjustments we make, we must press the Save and Close button located at the top left corner of the Actions area of the ribbon. To view our task and have a quick glimpse of it, along with the other tasks that we have created, we can hover over with our mouse at the bottom left corner of Microsoft Outlook on the Task button. If we need to edit, change, create, or delete a task, we can select the task command from the bottom left corner of Microsoft Outlook, where we will be displayed with the My Tasks folder. Here at the left we can see our to-do list with all the accounts that we have associated in Microsoft Outlook. And in the middle, we can see all the tasks that we have created. We can open any task that we want by double-clicking on it, so we can view, edit, and delete the task. From My Tasks folder, we can also create a new task by selecting the New Task command located at the top left corner of the New area of the ribbon. We then follow the same steps as described.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.